Terumah, ideas of the realm of Gematria from the Parshah and for the Geulah. This is Article 19 because Parshah's Terumah is the 19th Parshah in the cycle of Torah readings. This week's Parshah starts a series of Parshas about the Mishkan, the tabernacle in the wilderness. It is also Rosh Chodesh Adar, which, as we know, is the month that we are to increase in happiness and joy. Interestingly, in the realm of Gematria, there is a way to tie them together. In Gematria, the numerical value of the word HaMishkan, the tabernacle, equals 415. The Hebrew word for happiness or joy is simcha, which has a numerical value of 353. But what will take us from 353 to 415? Mathematically speaking, the number 62 will. But what is 62? 62 is the numerical value of the word HaMizbeach, which means the altar. We learn about the Mizbeach, or the altar, in this week's Parsha. In the verse it says, Ve'asisa es HaMizbeach atzei shitim 5 amos orech ve5 amos rochav revua yihye HaMizbeach ve3 amos komaso. And you shall make the altar of acacia wood 5 cubits long and 5 cubits wide. The altar shall be square, and its height shall be 3 cubits. Exodus 27, verse 1. The altar is where we bring an offering to God. In our case, and in these days, without a physical temple, making an offering at the altar can mean a conscious effort of some sort. In this idea, it is the offering of happiness. Numerically, it works out. Simcha plus HaMizbeach equals HaMishkan. Happiness and the altar equals Mishkan, the dwelling place. And in our case, it would be the dwelling place of our being, our spiritual being, or the dwelling place that God makes with us. And it happens when we make an offering on the altar, an offering of happiness. Many, if not all, of the spiritual teachers and leaders today, and in the past, are emphasizing the importance of gratitude, being thankful to God for everything in our lives and the role it plays in happiness. That happiness abounds when we have gratitude. The word for thanks in Hebrew is todah. And this word has a numerical value of exactly 415, just like HaMishkan. The word todah numerically matches the word HaMishkan, which suggests that if there is one main purpose for the Mishkan, both physically and in the figurative Mishkan of our own being, it is to express gratitude and praise to the Almighty. This brings true simcha, happiness. Have a great Shabbos and Chodesh Tov.